Your cheek fat may not be cheek fat. This week I will show you how to reduce the appearance of cheek fat using Rendo Sugimoto's method. Hello beautiful souls, I am Yasuko from Arigatou Wellness and it's time for Massage Monday. Per viewer's request, this week I will show you how to reduce the cheek fat using my favorite Japanese healer Rendo Sugimoto's method. I think having some cheek fat makes you look healthy. Rendo says fat is really a fluid trapped in the fibers in the pockets between the skin and muscle. And if you can open the exit for the trapped fluid to drain, the appearance will become smaller. I've actually shown these techniques in reduced face size video, but I'm going to extract these so they can be discovered better just for cheeks. First, look in the mirror and decide on which side to work on. In the beginning, I recommend to do it one side at a time just to see the difference, and work on the side that you choose. For the upper cheek fat, loosen the area below the collarbone in the center with your fingertip or fingertips on the side you're working on. You may feel tight or even painful if it's very tight. For the lower cheek fat next to your mouth, loosen the area between the third and the fourth ribs. Below the collarbone, the first rib you feel is the second rib. Go down to the third rib and rub underneath. You can do this any time of the day, as many times as you like, as long as you don't bruise yourself. For the fat on the side of your face that's making your face wider, put your forefingers in the armpit and rub above the armpit with your thumb downward. Do 10 times, although there's no set numbers. After this, I've seen him rub the cheek downward with the side of the finger in the direction of the flow. I hope you see the difference even a little bit. Please watch this video too if you want to see the full routine. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and click on the bell. Make it a great week.